Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to turn on console sharing and offline play on your PS5. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to turn on console sharing and you want to be able to turn on offline play. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. But in order to do this, what you're first going to do is navigate to where it says settings. Next, click on users and accounts. Now from here, you want to scroll down to where it says login. You want to scroll down to where it says other. So click on other and then click on console sharing and offline play. So from this option here, you want to go ahead and make sure that this is enabled. And so keep in mind that you can have one PS5 with this enabled, and note that this has no impact on your primary PS4 if you have one set. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and turn on console sharing and offline play on your PS5. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.